The U.S. Route 2 Bridge Deck Replacement Project in North Hero, Vermont, demonstrates the effective application of accelerated bridge construction using the AccelBridge precast deck panel system. This project highlights the integration of precision-engineered precast components to meet critical schedule, durability, and traffic management requirements. The Vermont Agency of Transportation launched this vital infrastructure project to replace a deteriorating bridge deck along a key corridor for local and regional traffic. Their goal? Complete the work quickly, safely, and with minimal disruption to the public. The project scope included replacing the aging bridge deck, performing repairs to the steel superstructure, and improving approach roadways. But speed and quality were critical. This wasn't just about replacing a bridge, it was about keeping Vermont moving. VTrans needed a fast, efficient method that could deliver both performance and safety without exceeding budget. To meet these goals, the project team chose precast concrete, specifically the AccelBridge precast deck panel system manufactured by Fort Miller Precast. They meticulously fabricated all 126 deck panels in their quality-controlled manufacturing facility. Fort Miller's quality assurance team, along with Vermont Agency of Transportation representatives, ensured each panel met the strict tolerances needed for optimal performance. Using the precast deck panel system, the bridge was replaced in just one construction season. Work was split into 2 3-month phases, with installation of precast taking only 8 days during Phase 1 and just 6 days during Phase 2, keeping public access open the entire time. One of the defining benefits of the AccelBridge system is its exceptional combination of speed and durability. The match-cast panels are designed for quick and accurate installation while also eliminating the need for cast-in-place joints between each panel. This system is compressed upon installation by the chosen girder system, which increases durability, reduces the likelihood of cracking, and extends the service life of the bridge, all without the need for post-tensioning or reinforcement crossing the joints. VTrans had previously used the AccelBridge system on I-89 in Colchester in 2019. With that success in mind, they once again turned to a trusted solution, and it delivered, completing the project on time and on budget. By using precast concrete and accelerated bridge construction techniques, the U.S. Route 2 project redefined how infrastructure can be delivered, faster, safer, and stronger than ever before. The project earned the 2025 PCI Northeast Showcase Award for Best in Transportation, recognizing its innovation, performance, and positive impact on regional infrastructure. It's a true testament to what's possible with modern precast solutions. Congratulations to the Route 2 Bridge Deck Replacement Team. Producer, Fort Miller Precast. Owner, State of Vermont Agency of Transportation. Engineer, Green International Affiliates. Precast Specialty Engineer, AccelBridge, SPI Engineering. General Contractor, Kubricki Construction Corp.